It is just a beautiful morning here. Too bad I have to go to work. So here we go. There's the garage where I park my car. So every day, I take this walk. Oh, it's just beautiful out here. You gotta see this sunrise. Not spectacular, but the temperature is just perfect this morning. So I walk down this side road. We live on a corner. And I get down here and what? Oh! I left my garage door open. There it is, the garage door is open. I don't think I was even out here this weekend. No, wait. I was working out in the garage on Saturday morning. And I came in for lunch. And then my wife and I went to the grocery store. And I never came back out to the garage. Which means this garage door has been standing open all afternoon Saturday, all Saturday night, all day Sunday, all Sunday night, and now here it is Monday morning, and this door is still open. And I've got nobody to blame but myself. Doggone it. I can't see this door from my house. That's the problem. Something must be done. Well, let me show you what I did do. This was a reenactment. I hope you didn't mind that little bit of theater there, but that is exactly what happened. It was a Monday morning and the garage had been open all weekend. And nothing was missing, so no harm done, but boy, you don't want to do that very often. So what I came up with is a light that is on the side of the garage that faces our house. And then I put a switch here on the door that turns that light on whenever the door is opened, or even if the door is open just a little ways, because sometimes I like to just have the garage door open a little ways just to get a little bit of air movement through here. But I don't want the whole thing open so that every passerby can see everything that's in here. So I wanted the light to come on in that situation too. So I'm gonna hold the camera up here and there we go. Here it is, hard for me to reach, but it's right there. Let me get in a little closer, see if I can. It's right there. What that is a switch, and it's the same kind of switch that's on a refrigerator door. So it's a 110 volt switch. You get it at any hardware store. And what it does is when the switch is pushed, the contact is open, so that turns the light off. And then when the switch is released, it's just like a push button. Then it makes contact and turns the light on. So refrigerator door open, the light's on, the refrigerator door's closed, the light goes off. That's the same thing that this does right here. So a little bitty switch, get them anywhere. I mounted this one in an electrical box and then ran the wires up along the ceiling here. Then it comes over and then comes right down into this box right here. And I ended up having to kind of double up on the thickness of this box here to get it so that it came all the way out to the front for when I finish the inside of this garage. But the back goes all the way and touches the outside sheathing of the garage. So that's where the light is mounted there. And I've got some good pictures of it here. Here's a good shot before I put it in. Here's another angle of it. So you can see how it looks. And I have another picture of the switch in the box before I mounted the switch. Another angle of it. So there we go. Okay, now back to the garage here. Now it's a simple matter here. I'll operate the garage door and you'll see how the button gets pressed. Let's see if I get it good. It's pretty simple. I just screwed a board onto the door and then it comes in and pushes the button. Pretty easy. The only real tricky part is finding the spot to mount the box where it doesn't interfere with the door as the door goes up. I think I might have even had this one mounted a little lower to start with. I also had to put a couple of boards on the wall there to bring it out to where it could be pushed easily by my board. Let's look at it on the outside. Ready? There we go. See that? Doors open, and you can't see it. Now I just started closing it. Door closed. Beautiful. Now I know, and I can see it from the house. Brilliant, I know. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. You're watching On the Mark with Mark. Light turns on. Light turns off. Light turns on. Light turns off.